Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Mercury transit in Leo from 22nd of September to next 1 month and 24 days. Mercury will be retrograde on 14th October and Mercury will direct on 3rd of November and then till 28th of November Mercury will be in Libra side. So, you know very well, my all predictions are based on ascendant sign, nothing to do with moon sign. So, let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, Mercury transit in your seventh house in Libra sign, which is a house of your partnership, daily income, source of earning. You can say your wife, your business partner, your life partner. So Mercury will give you a lot of good benefits during this transit because this transit will bring a lot of opportunities, fame, respect, prosperity, and a lot of money will knock you. Some foreign deals will make you happy. Those native who are doing any type of import export business, they will get new contract or they may sign new deal related to foreign land. This is a time when money matters will be better and your all debts will be clear and you will be facing very positive events of your life if you are businessman. If you are unemployed, you may get job because this is a time when your sixth lord transit in your seventh house. A seventh house is a daily income gains, and you can say seventh house is a house of your uh, business. You know, those native who are businessmen, they earn very good money. As earning, savings will good, and money transactions will make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. For Taurus ascendants being your second and fifth lord, Mercury transit in your sixth house. For Taurus ascendants, Mercury is your ruling planet, yani benefited planet, transit in your sixth house. You need to be careful while some opposition may stand against you and you may involve any type of mental stress related to your work or business. Without any reason, you are in stress. You will be in phobia. But Mercury aspecting is on your 12th house. You are those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, those native who are trying to get PR or any type of migration. Then this is a time when they get PR or when they will easily settle in foreign land, or you may get a work permit, you may get a PR. So Taurus ascendants, this is a mixed transit for you. Second negative thing is in this transit, your expenditures will be sky high. Your savings is not very promising because this 1 month and 24 days you may earn good money, but your unexpected expenditures will irritate you. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants being a lot of your first house, Mercury transit in your fifth house, which is very wonderful placement of Mercury. Those native who are already investing our money in stock market, they may get unexpected gains. Money will knock you, your all problems will solve, and you will be another zone of your life. This is a highly productive time for you when you will feel blessed and when you enjoy your life thoroughly. You enjoy your life with your loved one. If you are in an affair, if you are in a relationship, then your relationship might turn in long lasting relationship like marriage. So this is a time when you may get money from unexpected way. Some unexpected money will knock you, and if you are unemployed, you may get job. If you have any type of Mercury Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, then you will definitely sky high during this period. But you need to be careful while talking with your parents. I am telling my every video for Gemini ascendants because Saturn aspecting is on your second house, which is not very good in the terms of family tie-ups. So you need to be careful while talking with your parents, especially your mother and father. And secondly, money matters will be better and you will enjoy this 1 month and 24 days. You will get highly benefit. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. For Cancer ascendants, Mercury is not your ruling planet. It's a lot of your 12th house and your 3rd house transit in your 4th house. You may buy new vehicle, you may invest your money in real estate, you may buy new home, you may renovate your home, you may plan something related to renovation or buying property. This is a time when your mother health will be suffer. You need to be careful related to relationship with your mother, and health of your mother will be affected. This is a time when you are thinking bit negative relationship with your mother, and some type of dispute in any matter with your mother is seen in this transit. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. Give some respect to your mother always, and take care of health of your mother. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendus. Leo Ascendus being a lord of your 11th house and second house, Mercury transit in your third house. You may get a lot of gains through communications. Your siblings and your friends will help you. Your any type of deal will be clicked during this 1 month and 24 days. You will be in another height of success. Money matters will be better. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and health and wealth will be very good. Your strong willpower will create some type of you can say your strong willpower will create some type of new work, or will create some type of new horizon which will make you happy, and you will be in another height of confidence. Your strong willpower will create some big change in your life. This is the time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will click, and you will get support from your siblings, from your friends, from your family. And if you are related to any communications, IT related work, you may get success, and you will be achieve a lot of milestone during this transit. This is a highly beneficial transit for Leo Ascendus for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendus being your first lord, Mercury transit in your second house. This is a wonderful transit for you. Your savings will rise. You will get unexpected gains, and your family will support you. Your eating habits may create some problem because you gain your weight, but overall Mercury is in second house, will give you lot of happiness and lot of savings, lot of source of earning. Your family will support you. Your speaking skills will rise, and people are impressed from your language. People are impressed from your way of speaking, because Mercury is in your second house. This is one of the ultimate position of Mercury in Leo sign for Virgo Ascendus. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendus. Libra Ascendus for you, Mercury is your benefited planet. A transit in your first house, you will enjoy a lot of benefit. Your mind will be fresh. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You become very miser in this transit. You are trying to save money more and more, and this is a time when you will get a job if you are unemployed. If you don't have work, you may get any order from your workplace. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your all pending work will be click, and you will enjoy lot of benefits. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendus. Scorpio Ascendus being a 8th house or 11th house lord, Mercury transit in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but those native who are doing anything related to foreign land, they may get success. They may get a lot of unexpected gains. You may rise a lot during this period if you are linked with any foreign transaction. And those relative who are doing any import export business, they may get very good order, but you need to be careful about your health, because nervous system may down, and you may suffer related to your mental stress without any reason, because Mercury is not a benefited planet for Scorpio Ascendus, and transit in your 12th house is not a very good house. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendus. For Sagittarius Ascendus, Mercury transit in your you can say in your 12th house. Sorry, Mercury transit in your 11th house, which is very good transit for you, you will get unexpected gains. Your social circle will rise, your friends will help you, you will enjoy all type of comforts. Materialistic gains are there, and your all wishes and desires will be fulfilled during this period. This time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy all type of happiness. Those native who are willing to switch off our job, this is an ultimate time. You may get a job beyond your expectation. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy a lot of happiness and success during this period. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendus. Capricorn Ascendus, Mercury transit in your 10th house. Your profession will rise, and you will enjoy a lot of appreciation from your workplace. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and your health will be fine, and you may earn good money. If you are unemployed, you may get job. This is a time when your 10th house is active. You will get name, fame, prosperity from your workplace. Your boss will satisfy from your performance. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Money matters will be ultimate. This is a time when you will be top, and you will be sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendus. Aquarius Ascendus being a lot of your fifth house, Mercury transit in your ninth house, which is very well transit for you. Next 1 month and 24 days will be highly benefited for you. If you are investing your money in stock market, this is the ultimate time to making profit from multiple sources, or you may get some big profit from your old investment in stock market. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you. You may start a new venture with someone. This is a time when all type of desires will be fulfilled. Your romantic life will be excellent. Your kids will support you, and you will get some unexpected gains during this transit. This is a time when all type of benefits you will enjoy. So Aquarius Ascendants, be positive, think positive, do your best. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Pisces Ascendants, Mercury is not your ruling planet, not a beneficial planet, and transit in your 8th house, which is not very promising for you. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful while talking with your siblings or elder in your family. This is a time when you are under shadow. Your self-respect will be affected, and you may get involved in any type of litigation or any type of problem with your near or dears. Don't involve any type of litigation, don't involve in any type of dispute, don't be a part of any dispute, because this Mercury transit in 8th house is not very beneficial for you. Need to be careful, don't trust on anyone, don't sign any documents without read or without checking everything. So guys, Mercury will brings lot of happiness and lot of delay for some ascendants, and some ascendants will enjoy a lot. So my good wishes with everyone, and I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar. Thank you for watching my channel. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind.